and let's continue the book Vision 1. Types of nouns. Common nouns, proper nouns. First of all, common is the opposite of proper. Okay? Common means found everywhere. General item. Like he. You know? Found everywhere. Found everywhere. And proper in the opposite means there's only one of it. It's specific. For example, let me explain with an example. God, pen. Ask yourself, how many gods or how many pens do we have in this world? Well, obviously we only have one God and we have more than one pen in this world. So God is a proper noun and pen is found everywhere, so it's a common noun. Common noun. You see, we have so many pens, but we only have one God. Okay? Common nouns, proper nouns. Boy, tree, bear. How many boys do we have in this world? More than one. How many trees do we have in this world? More than one. How many bears do we have in this world? More than one. Number 2, proper nouns. Avicenna. How many Avicennas do we have in this world? Like God, only one. How many Damavand we have in this world? Like God, we only have one. How many Milot towers do we have in this world? Like God, we only have one. You notice something, lowercase b, lowercase t, and lowercase b. Lowercase letter. Lowercase letter is for common nouns. More than one. In contrary, uppercase A or capital A, uppercase D, capital D, uppercase M, capital M, capital letters are for proper nouns. Okay? Capital letters are for proper nouns. There is a bear in the jungle. B, lowercase b, so it's a common noun. We went to Damavand Mountain. Capital D, so it is a proper noun. Damavand is a mountain near Tehran. Capital letter D, so it is a proper noun. But bear is a wild animal. Capital letter B, so bear is a proper noun, capital letter. How many bears do we have in this world? More than one. More than one, so it's a common noun. Then why this B is capital? Why? Because it is the beginning of a sentence. Beginning of a sentence. What's the meaning of beginning? Beginning, the end. And this is a sentence. The end. C. Circle the correct answer. What is a circle? This is a circle. Correct. Right. Correct. Right. Okay. Today, Iran's Okay, how should we answer this? How many Iran do we have in this world? One or more than one? If we have one, then it's a proper noun. If we have more than one, it's a common noun. For proper nouns, capital letter. For common nouns, lowercase letter. Now ask yourself, how many Irans do we have in this world? Only one Iran, so it's capital letter. Today, Iran's mountains and plains are the natural home or home. How many home do we have in this world? Well, obviously more than one, so it's a common noun, so we need lowercase letter. Natural home of many animals. One of them is the black bear. How many bears do we have in this world? Obviously more than one, so it's a common noun, so we need lowercase letter. So is the black bear, which lives in a few parts. How many parts do we have in this world? Obviously more than one. It's common noun, so we need lowercase letter. Parts. Which lives in a few parts of the country. Number 2. Amin Askari. Let me tell you something. For names and last names, they are proper nouns. Amin Askari. Amin Askari, LinkedIn. Amin Askari is a pilot. He is 40 years. How many years do we have in this world? Obviously more than one, so it's common and we need lowercase letter. He is 40 years old. He lives with his wife. How many wife do we have in this world? More than one, so it's a common noun, so we need lowercase letter. And his son and daughter in Mashhad. How many Mashhad do we have in this world? Only one Mashhad, so it's a proper noun and we need capital letter. He loves his job. Number 3. The Persian Gulf. Let me explain something to you. Nationalities and languages. Names of nationalities and languages are capitalized. For example, she speaks French and is Italian. So nationalities and languages are proper nouns and they are capitalized. The Persian Gulf is a very important sea between Iran and some Arab because they are capitalized countries. It's wildlife. How many wildlife do we have in this world? Obviously more than one, so it's a common noun and we need lowercase letter. Its wildlife is amazing. You can see some beautiful sea animals. How many sea do we have in this world? How many sea? More than one, common noun, lowercase letter, sea. Such as dolphins, there. How many dolphins do we have in this world? More than one, common noun, lowercase letter, dolphins. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.